And can you
Yeah.
share how much was the fixed pay for the judging contest that you participated in as a lead judge?
Yeah. So right now the pay is like 45% for there's a 55-45 split for the 10% judging pool assigned for each contest. So I think I made like, I'm not sure the correct amount, but it's probably more than double the amount of the 12K I earned.
Nice, nice. So basically the judge around, like, let's just assume that if we have a judging pool, the lead judge is going to get exactly like the judging pool, but it's a fixed paid, which makes sense because he's a better judge and you're also going to invest more time. He has more responsibility, and you were able to make like 2 times, like if 12K, you made 24K more as a
Yeah.
lead judge, which concludes together to 36K in 4 months. Not bad. I mean, like
Yeah.
for college graduate, you made like around 8K, 9K a month, which is a nice salary, I guess, right? For like,
Yeah,
but you can
definitely.
do it yourself. You don't have an employer. You can do it whenever you want. You also increase your brand.
Yeah, definitely. It's something I really enjoy.